Alright guys, it's your boy Shades and Trades here. I added some QQQ here. If you want to buy some calls on QQQ, go for it. This is what's going on with QQQ. I bought shares. I don't like playing calls or I don't like playing options. I stick with swing trading, good old fashioned shares. I alerted some at 416 right in pre-market. We have you can see right here 20 shares in at 416 QQQ. My limit order got executed and we are up a little bit. Again, you would want to play calls anytime we get a crossover in the daily chart on this stock. You'll notice we get some pretty significant upside. Every crossover has led to significant upside. So that's the play. I'm up already 62 cents, which obviously with 20 shares, that's not a lot. That's what I'm saying. If you want to make a lot more, you would definitely have to stick to calls. But I just don't like playing that game. I'll stick to what works, right? Be disciplined, stick to what makes me money. But other than that, if you're in the premium Discord, I would keep your eyes on silver. Silver for a bounce here. We're right at demand. And this is the weekly, mind you. So it's been hovering since 2020. Silver has been hovering between 20 and 24. So we already have some shares if you've been following me into those trades. So it's just a matter of holding it for the top of the range, which is going to be around 23 to 24. Sophie is under 750, but I want to see a bounce before we buy in. Riot, same thing. I'm waiting for $10. Looks like it's still going to come down more. We'll see what happens with that. Nvidia, I'm personally not going to chase that. Uh, Nvidia leads the market, so as you can see, we're about to get a bunch of crossovers on a lot of stocks. Microsoft already got its crossover, but again, I'm not going to chase these. I'm going to go after the ones that have yet to rocket. So that's why I am in QQQ. If you want to get calls at open, go for it, but I'm not touching it. If you're in the free Discord, I would keep an eye on Palantir inside this weekly ascending channel. You'll notice it's been inside this channel and it's looking like it's ready to bounce here. It's right at demand as well. We're waiting to see if a lot of these stocks are going to start to follow the market, Nvidia specifically, because that's the one that tends to lead. BKKT, keep an eye on this one. It's nearing bottoms. Tilray, same thing, nearing a bottom. Where's Sound? Sound nearing a bottom. So a lot of these stocks are nearing bottoms. AITX nearing a bottom. A lot of opportunities to add at bottoms. That doesn't mean it's going to work out. Definitely a lot more risky to trade these stocks. BitF, we'll see what happens with that, but I'm looking to accumulate under $2, $1.50 if it goes down that low. Bitcoin right now is bouncing, I believe, at a key level of support. So as long as it does bounce off of that, we'll see Bitcoin miners bounce as well. You know how people are. They love to cry when things just keep falling. But these months, or not months, was it weeks? I think it was, oh wow, yeah, it is the weekly chart. All these weeks where we just kept going up, no one was complaining. Bulls weren't crying like, oh no, it keeps going up, please stop going up. But the moment we start going down, they start crying. And the moment they keep crying, usually means we're about to bounce at some point. We'll see though. I still believe we might get some more downside here on Bitcoin. Depends on how Bitcoin moves. Entirely depends on Bitcoin. As you can see here on the daily, we are still above the 200 and the 100. We're right at support that has held multiple times. We're inside this descending wedge. Usually means we're going to get a breakout to the upside. We'll see what happens though. And that's it for the video. As always, like, subscribe. I will see you in the next one.